Sri Ramakrishna Paramhams, the eminent Hindu saint of 19th century India, he used small stories and parables to portray his core philosophy. One such short story or parable you can say, which talks about desire and indulgence. It is the parable of the barber and the seven jars of greed. A barber who was passing under a haunted tree one day heard a mysterious voice which said, "Will you accept 7 jars full of gold?" The barber looked around but could see no one. However, the offer of 7 jars of gold roused his curiosity and he cried aloud, "Yes, I shall accept the 7 jars." So at once came the reply, "Go home, I have carried the jars to your house." The barber ran home to verify the truth of his strange announcement, and when he entered the house, he saw the jars before him. He opened them and found them all full of gold, except the last one, which was only half full. A strong desire now arose in the mind of the barber to fill the seventh jar also, for without it his happiness was incomplete. The barber converted all his ornaments into gold coins and put them into the jar, but the mysterious vessel was as before. One day he requested the king to increase his pay, saying his income was not sufficient to maintain himself and his family. Now the barber was a favorite of the king, and as soon as the request was made, the king doubled his pay. So now all this pay he saved and put into the jar, but the greed jar showed no signs of filling. At last, he began to live by begging from door to door, and his professional income and the income from begging all went into this insatiable, mysterious jar. Months passed, and the condition of the miserable and miserly barber grew worse every day. Seeing his plight, the king asked him one day, "When your pay was half of what you now get, you were happy, cheerful, and contented. But with double the pay, I see you morose and dejected. What is the matter with you? Have you got the 7 jars?" The barber was taken aback by his question and replied, "Your Majesty, who has informed you of this?" The king replied, "Don't you know that these are the signs of the person to whom the Yaksha consigns the 7 jars? He offered me also the same jars, but I asked him whether his money might be spent or was merely to be hoarded. No sooner had I asked this question than the Yaksha ran away without any reply. Don't you know that no one can spend that money? It only brings with it the desire of hoarding. Go at once and return the money," the king said to the barber. The wise king's words brought the barber to his senses. He returned to the haunted tree and said, "Take back your gold, O Yaksha." The Yaksha replied, "All right." When the barber returned home, he found that the 7 jars had vanished, and mysteriously as they were brought in, and with it had vanished his lifelong savings. Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa concluded the story by instilling some wisdom into the hearts and minds of his disciples. Such is the state of some men in the kingdom of heaven. Those who do not understand the difference between real expenditure and real income lose all they have. Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa once said, "Rainwater never stands on a high ground, but runs down to the lowest level. So also, the mercy of God remains in the hearts of the lowly, but drains off from those of the vain and the proud." Very similar to this story, there is a movie inspired by this. It's available on Amazon Prime. I'm not saying that the movie is exactly how the story is, but yes, it has a strong influence, and the movie is named as Tumbad. You can watch it on Amazon Prime. It's a very wonderful movie. Thank you guys.